Right, welcome to what is possibly the end of the Hurricane saga. It's been in for a couple of weeks now for a bit of TLC and a quick polish up and some of the wiring sorted out, but that's all that done now. It's all finished, it's ready to rock and roll, so we'll just get it started. So bear with me a minute while I hold the camera with one hand and kick it off with the other. Wouldn't you know it won't start? Hang on. And now we've got the ignition turned on. There we go, and it just started to spit with rain. And there we go, one hurricane ticking over. Very nice it is too. Myself and Mort have put a lot of effort into this to get it back as it used to be when he first got it. Everything works, and it starts to tick over nicely. There's not too much oil left in the sump now because it had wet sump itself. Nice work. A bit pathetic, but that works too. Notice we're using my standby battery to provide the go juice. Oh, doesn't it sound nice? Well, let's give it a quick twist of the wrist. Poor dog looking confused. He doesn't appreciate loud motorcycles, I think. Gorgeous, isn't it? What a sound. Right, well, looks like it's going to piss down with rain, so I shall stop this, put the bikes away and go and have a cup of tea. Bye for now.